Hello cuties! Welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about the letter O. The sound of letter O and few words that starts with letter O. This is a capital O. A capital O. This is a lowercase o. A lowercase o. And the sound of letter O is A. The sound of letter O is A. Come, let's see few words that starts with letter O. O for orange. Orange. O for orange. O for owl. Owl. O for owl. O for ox. Ox. O for ox. O for ostrich. Ostrich. O for ostrich. O for octopus. Octopus. O for octopus. O for octagon. Octagon. O for octagon. O for olives. Olives. O for olives. O for oyster. Oyster. O for oyster. O for oil. Oil. O for oil. So, you all know the sound of letter O. Come, let's say it together. The sound of letter O is A. Let's learn the letter P in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.